Happy full moon, friends. Today we'll be doing a full moon guided meditation for grounding. This meditation can be done anytime other than the full moon as well, whenever you need to release anything no longer serving you or you're guided to do so. Today we have a full moon in Virgo. This shift can show a grounding relief which was much needed. On February 25th, Venus officially shifted in water sign of Pisces. It can bring more emotions to the surface along with the focus for what is true to our hearts and what is meaningful to us. This grounding meditation will help us to foster those emotional energies. Ideally, full moon is a perfect time for wrapping up, grieving from, and reflecting on. So, let's dive in. Welcome to this grounding meditation. I'll take you to the journey of your inner creative aura, where you have the power to create magics. These infused healing energies will be assisting you to detoxify your mind, heart, and the soul. I invite you to sit back, close your eyes, and relax. Just follow my voice. It will take you to new you, the higher version of yourself. Take a few deep breaths and relax. One more time. Take a deep inhale and a deep breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your mind and relax your body. Breathe in and breathe out. And relax. Just be aware of the presence of your body and this music follow my voice. Feel your lungs filled with air and the sensation of it. Feel your chest rising. And when you exhale, feel your body getting into deep state of relaxation. Take another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Just relax. Breathe in the energetic light of this full moon for healing, grounding, and nurturing. Breathing out for relaxation, releasing, and letting go. Just become aware of the presence of this full moon. It's energizing, white, illuminating, and healing energies. See the moonlight filling your energy body in full potential. It's filling you with its magnificent power of love and oneness. This power of love is filled with wholeness, oneness, and unity. Moon is always related to our deep intuitive power. That intuition guides us to get the answers of our questions and also allow us to connect with our deep inner energy body. Feel these powerful energies. They're all around you, within you, and all around you. Be aware of its presence in you and all around you. Become one with this energy. to nurture you, to heal you, and to ground you. Setting our intention for grounding, rejuvenation, and awakening is our goal. Breathe it all in. Feel its presence. Feel this powerful moonlight wrapping you in the protection and bathing you in love. Healing in all dimensions, time and space. Removing all blocks in all layers of our being. Feel yourself rooted in the ground and in energies of this Mother Earth. Now aligning to the higher vibrations, just surrender in, washing away all anger, hurt, and pain. Let's say thank you to all the lessons and let it go. And say, I release you. I release you. And thank you. See this violet light wrapping you with love, courage, healing, abundance, and strength. See yourself standing with this power of unconditional love and abundance. Emerge in this energy of gratitude, love, and healing. You can drift off into the deep state of sleep to restore yourself and wake up with a new magnificent energy of new you, fully healed and fully restored. Love from my heart to yours.